Hi, delete scene and open project with all animation. There are non-linear animation, timeline, viewport and outliner. First of all, we need to open Blender file into display mode tabs. Next, I rename my action of my animation. Let it be Hello World. I have this animation. It's so crazy. So I need to divide whole animation and save it as two different NLA tracks. I used to rigify a rig for this character animation. So we have mesh parented to rigify rig. We need to duplicate it in the same position. Next step is the renaming of the action into Blender file. I did it because I need further convenient navigation. After this step, I return to View Layer tab and rename both rigs just like before. So we have two rigs, but main rig is Hello rig. I start from here. I go to pose mode and select all controls. I'm going to divide my animation on frame 70 when character hands going down. Okay, into Hello rig I remove all keyframes after frame 70. Here we go, we have only hello animation. Don't panic that we lose further animation. We'll get it later. After this step, I choose dance rig. Go to pose mode and then select all controls. And remove all keyframes before frame 70. Next, just move all remaining keyframe to first frame. Before the action down of my two animation, I open Dopsheet, then Action Editor. As you can see, my character animation so long and I need to cut it. Thus I select Hello World action in Action Editor and then in N menu checkbox Manual Frame Range. My animation need to finish at frame 70, so I set up its value and as you can see, line of Hello World animation cross out after keyframe 7. So now I'm ready to go and push down both action of animation. Here are two animation, but the main animation is Hello World animation, belongs to Hello rig. I'm also renaming the NLA Tracks. The next step is to click on NLA track of rig Hello and then select new action from existing. I choose dance and push it action down. So now my rig Hello contains both animation of my character, hence I can delete my dance rig from outliner. Again rename all NLA tracks and replay animation. Everything should work. My animation have a problem with left hand. To fix this issue, I just open search menu, press spacebar of F3 and find bake action. Sometimes the default property is suitable for solving this issue, so press OK and your animation will be baked. But when you do it, make sure that you still have 2 keyframes and you don't push down your action in nonlinear animation window yet. I exported this astronaut as GLB format with default properties. You can select your objects if you need, but I don't do that. In Animation tab, make sure that line of group by NLA track checked, because if you don't do that, you'll export the whole animation. To test yourself, I just drag and drop my astronaut into Babylon.js. As you can see, I have 2 NLA tracks with different animation. Each of them will be repeated. I hope it was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Done.